Here is how to restore backup from Google Drive on Nothing Phone 3a. We can restore the backup from our Google Drive during the first configuration, the first setup. After you enter the password to Wi-Fi network, you will see this screen, copy apps and data. So then we need to press next and then choose can't use other device on the left side and then press OK. Now, soon after that, we should be able to log into our Google account. So now we need to sign in. Then of course we need to press I agree in the bottom right corner. And then you should be able to find your backups on your Google account. That is of course on Google Drive. Of course, as long as you have any backups, because as you can see, in my case, I don't really have any backups, so I cannot choose it. In your case, if you do have backups, then you can restore them over here. So you can select it here in this menu. And that is pretty much it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe to my channel and see you in my next videos. Bye!